Another often asked consumer-related concern we hear at Law Unlocked is, what are the rules around running promotional competitions? Are there any rules? What do we need to do? So I thought today we'd look at what are the rules around launching promotional competitions. What does the Consumer Protection Act say? Competitions are no longer just a free-for-all. There are very strict rules and guidelines that you need to comply with. The first thing is, what is a competition? A competition is any game of chance in which you can win a prize that is operated by a promoter. So who and what is a promoter? A promoter, in terms of Section 35 of the Act, is a person who directly or indirectly promotes, sponsors, organizes, or conducts a promotional competition, or for whose benefit a competition is promoted, sponsored, or organized. So that's quite an important definition in terms of the Act. And we don't like getting bogged down by the legalese when we're assisting clients, but sometimes it is important to know what a definition is. So if you're running a promotional competition in the interest of promoting your business, and it's just conducted in the ordinary course of business, and the prize is worth more than R1, the rules of the Act apply. So a person conducting a promotional competition needs to know, amongst other things, that the competition rules must be freely available. So put those on your website, print them on the ticket, print them on the raffle. Those rules must be free, and they must be available for 3 years after the competition has ended. So remember to file them, keep them safe. It's really important when you are running a competition that all participants to the competition are very much aware of what the prizes are, what the benefit is of entering that competition, what the steps are that they need to follow, what the closing date of that competition is, and how the competition results will be known. Further, and this is very important, if you're doing this competition for a promotional exercise, remember that you must give the winner of the competition a choice whether or not their photograph will be published and whether or not they will be participating in any marketing related activities. Also, they don't have to be there for the prize draw. That can't be a reason to exclude them. So all participants in competitions, if they were so lucky to win your competition, must be able to say no to their photograph being published, no to partaking in any marketing, and no to being there on the day of the prize draw. These are all requirements that are listed in the Act, so very important to remember them. In addition, remember that the Act says that every competition prize draw must be supervised by a chartered accountant, a registered auditor, an admitted attorney, or an advocate. So you need to get your accountant to come and help you out. Unfortunately, that's not how things used to be done, but it is how they have to be done now. So make it formal, make sure you have the right person overseeing your competition. What happens if you don't? Non-compliance in terms of the Consumer Protection Act can result in a fine of up to 10% of your company's annual turnover. Doesn't matter if you're big or small, the Consumer Protection Act applies as soon as your business's turnover is more than R2 million. So keep these rules in mind and make sure that you are conducting your business in a fair way as set out in the Consumer Protection Act.